everyone. This is Pamela Moreira coming to you from Richmond, Virginia. Today, we're going to be reviewing the app Genius. This is an app that has like 401 traffic apps. We're going to go over the bonus page, the sales page, and the members area. So let's dive right in. First, we have the bonus page. That is being provided by Jono Armstrong. He's putting up these bonuses for you all for this Genius app. They will be available until January 16th. They'll be pulled down at midnight on Sunday, January 16th, and he does stick to his deadlines. So you might want to go ahead and pick this up as quick as possible at the lowest price. The price will increase every hour. So let's see. Genius is the 2 clicks gets us free autopilot traffic in 21 seconds, pulls in $24.77 an hour. Let's get down here to the bonuses and go over those. First bonus is going to be a tutorial for Genius. It's access insurgency, and this is for the first 48 hours. Insurgency is learn all about how to do Facebook ads. It's a really good training program. You get a lot out of that. Bonus number 2 is a tutorial. You learn how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. And this is pretty awesome. So you really want to get a hold of that one. Bonus number 3 is another app where you learn how to get better conversions. So this definitely could help anybody who is trying to run a business. Bonus number 4, you get access to Continuum done for you, and this is a webinar funnel application. So if you're into doing webinars, even if you don't want to put your face on camera, this is definitely for you. And number 5 bonus is going to be all the vendors' bonuses, and this vendor is putting up a lot of bonuses, like a lot. I can't go into all of those, but yeah, he is putting up a lot of bonuses for getting this app, and this is an awesome app. The pre-launch sales are through the roof. People are picking this up everywhere. So let me tell you a little bit about the prices. You can pick up the front end for $17, and then there's going to be 5 upsells. And you can see right here on my screen, the first one's $39. The second one is $2.97, then $39, then $39, and $39. There are no coupons on this page, so if you go past a page, you miss getting that upsell. If I were you, I would go ahead and invest in this whole funnel because it's well worth it. So let's go on. Now we have the sales page. Here, and like I said before, it's 2 clicks, gets free autopilot traffic in 21 seconds, pulls in $24.77 an hour. Works for everyone with no tech skills or experience. It's never been so easy. All you have to do is set it up and activate it. And start getting traffic and making money. Yeah. The sales that result in a life of freedom is what this app is going to give you. Let's see. It's like he was stuck one time in his business, not making money. His life sucked. Oh, what is this? I can't stand being treated like shit. So he set out to make a change, turned to the internet in desperation and hope, frantically seeking a solution exactly like you're doing right now. Now, I don't know your reason, but I'm guessing it's one of the following. You want external pleasures, a better quality of life, extra money, or freedom. He had tried everything to get results online, bought dozens of products, been burnt by coaches, scammed by gurus. Not one damn thing worked, he says, until he understood the secret. I didn't know this one thing would change my life. I didn't realize it at the time. that is one thing that would allow me to quit both my jobs, retire my parents, buy a $1 million home, become a millionaire. I didn't know it back then, but I'm so grateful I came across it. Want to know what it is? It was simply understand that I didn't need to buy every shiny project, waste time checking emails, spend hours on YouTube, mindlessly post on Facebook. The only thing I did need was to understand this simple concept: traffic plus something to sell, endless cash. In fact, it results in nonstop payments, cash that you'll never run out of. Generational wealth is what traffic allows you to achieve. And that's what Genius is. It's a traffic app, a 401 traffic app. So, let's see. Here it is, the members area. That's what I was trying to get to. This is the members area. It doesn't scroll, so it's not very big. Right here on the first page. First page, you get your training, your upgrades if you didn't buy them in the funnel, change your profile around, and customer service. Down here is where you want to look. These buttons. These are all the buttons with the traffic. Okay, this is the home page. That's this page right here. This right here. My computer's running a little slow. Sorry. This page right here is your affiliate marketplace where you can go and search for products to sell. And they've got the best ones on here for you. Right here, this is your page builder. They have lots of templates and landing pages for you to choose from. Over here, we've got social traffic. This is where you import your Facebook account and Instagram automation tools. You got Facebook automation tools. Over here is the 2-click traffic, Facebook posts and Instagram posts. I think they run on automation. They post for you. Email traffic. Now this is pretty good. You can put your stemp email, hook it up to this app, and they give you email templates, email campaigns, and email sequence campaigns. So you can email your subscribers right from here. SMS traffic, that is text messages for y'all that don't know. You got they give you SMS templates, campaigns, and SMS sequence campaigns. I'm telling you, this app does everything. Right here we got web traffic, link cloaking, offer comparison, backlink machine, and keyword research, all right here in the members area. And then messenger traffic as well. Messenger has a bot, user input flow and custom fields, postback manager, bot settings, OTN postback manager, whitelist domains, saved templates. This right here, I believe, is for your email autoresponder, messenger engagement, web form builder, email autoresponder, user input flow and custom fields. I mean, there is so much stuff in this app. I couldn't tell you all about it in this video. It would take forever. But if you want to pick this up via my link, which is in the description, you will get those bonuses from Jono Armstrong. And remember, the first bonus is only available for the first 24 hours. Okay? And that first bonus, remind you, is access urgency. And urgency is learning all about how to do Facebook ads correctly so you don't get banned, because Facebook will ban you in a hot second. I know that from experience. It happened twice to me. But yeah, this right here, urgency, You get that in the first 48 hours. I'm sorry if I said 24 before. In the first 48 hours of picking up Genius, you will get insurgents. And you'll also learn how to make an app in less than 25 minutes, learn how to get better conversions, and Continuum, done for you, which is a webinar funnel. So if you want to pick up all these bonuses, grab Genius through my link, which is in the description. And if you like this video, hit the like button for me and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I put up another video just like this. Thank you.